Main engine jacket cooling freshwater system. From the hydrofor tank, freshwater is delivered to the freshwater expansion tank, and the system begins at the freshwater expansion tank. This tank is located at the highest point of the system and serves four important functions. First, it accommodates the thermal expansion of water as it heats up, preventing overpressurization of the system. Second, it provides a constant static head to the suction of the jacket cooling freshwater pump, which prevents cavitation. Third, it acts as the make-up and filling point for the system where chemicals are added and tested weekly for pH and nitrite concentration to prevent corrosion and scaling in the piping system. Finally, it serves as an air vent where air released from the heated water can escape to the atmosphere. From the expansion tank, fresh water is drawn by the jacket cooling freshwater pump. Most vessels are equipped with two pumps, one in service and one on standby. The pump delivers water into the main engine, where it circulates through the cooling spaces of the cylinder liners, cylinder heads, and exhaust valve cages. As the water absorbs heat from combustion, its temperature rises from 85 to 90 degrees Celsius. After leaving the engine, the hot fresh water is routed to the freshwater generator evaporator. The jacket water temperature is around 80 degrees Celsius is sufficient to boil seawater under vacuum in the freshwater generator evaporator. This allows the ship to produce its own freshwater while the main engine is running. When the freshwater generator is not in use, a bypass valve directs the water to jacket cooling freshwater cooler. To control the temperature, a three-way thermostatic control valve is fitted. This valve automatically mixes hot water returning from the engine with cooler water coming from the jacket cooling freshwater cooler by adjusting the mixing ratio. The valve keeps the inlet temperature to the engine stable at around 75 to 80 degrees Celsius regardless of load changes. The jacket cooling freshwater cooler is a plate-type heat exchanger where heat from the freshwater is transferred to the seawater. The seawater is circulated by the main cooling seawater pump and discharged overboard. The cold freshwater is then circulated via jacket cooling freshwater pump back to the main engine. An important feature of the system is the main engine warm-up heater. When the main engine is stopped, the same jacket cooling water is circulated and heated by steam. This keeps the engine warm at about 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Keeping the engine warm prevents cold corrosion and reduces thermal stress during starting. For safety and reliability, the main engine jacket cooling freshwater system is fitted with several alarms and safeguards. These include a low-level alarm on the expansion tank, a high temperature alarm at the engine outlet, and an automatic slowdown if the outlet temperature reaches 98 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius.